I'm going to quickly run through the installation wizard for Windows Server 2022. When you boot into the installation media, the first screen is to select the language and some of the regional settings. You'll want to select the relevant settings for you, and then hit next, and then install now. Once the setup starts, you'll be presented with the options that you can select to install. There's standard and the data center, and both of those versions have got the desktop experience or the standard core version. The core version is basically the same, but you only can administrate it using command line, not the user interface. So I'm just going to select the data center desktop experience and then hit next. The next point is to accept the license agreements. So just tick the box and hit next. And then you've got two options. If you've got an existing server, you can upgrade, but most common is just do the custom, and then you can do a fresh install. When you hit the custom, just select whatever drive you want to install the operating system onto, and then hit next. This process will take a couple of minutes, depending on the speed of your hardware. Once the installation process is finished, the first thing you'll need to do is set an administrator password for the server. Once you've set the password, the system will ask you to log in using that same password. Once the server is logged in, the server manager should automatically start. Now, there's a couple more things that I normally do to all the servers when they get installed. First one is give it an IP address. For this one, I'm just going to use 10.0.0.1. And then the gateway is .254. For the DNS server, I'm just going to give it a public DNS server, and then when it gets converted to a domain controller, it will sort itself out. Just make sure it actually gets internet, and it has. The next thing is just to sort the time zone out. Even though it was selected on the install media, it sometimes gets a bit funky. And the latest time, and then give it a name. And that's all there is to getting it installed.